In this video we will go through different scales, and if you're still unsure how to work out major and minor scales, go through all the other videos that I've posted. I'm concentrating on the UNISA syllabus because I have a lot of UNISA students, so make double sure that you know exactly what scales, the major and the minors, you need to know for your specific grade. Now I'm going to go through examples of different scales, and we're first going to start with major scales. So let's read there: A flat major, treble clef with key signature descending. So the first thing that I do is I make my treble clef with key signature, so I work out battle ends and down. So for my flats I add another flat. After I reach my A flat, I need to add a D flat, battle ends and down. So let's do the key signature, battle ends and down. Descending, so I will start high. I think easiest is if you start there right at the top. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the lowest note is my 1, and then of course I need to add my slurs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's double check. Treble clef with key signature descending. Okay, the next one is A major, bass clef without key signature. So I will add my sharps in front of the notes, ascending and descending. So let's start with A major, first ascending and then descending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Father, Charles, goes. And my slurs: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A major, Father Charles goes. And then the last example of a major for today, E flat major, treble clef with key signature, battle ends and. Battle ends and. With key signature ascending. So I go up, start with the lowest note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And of course my slurs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's important that we go through everything that is in the question. Treble clef with key signature ascending. This one, bass clef without key signature. It doesn't mean that you only have white notes. It means that you have the sharps or the flats, the accidentals in front of the note, ascending and descending, and the very important slurs. And with my major scales, 3, 4, and 7 and 8. Let's do some natural minors. So I still work out my minor 3 semitones down, but I don't raise my 7th. So natural minor, C natural minor, bass clef with key signature ascending. So C, my minor is there, 1, 2, 3. So I have E flat as the major. Battle ends and bass clef ascending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have my bass clef, I have the key signature of E flat, and I go up. And for the natural minor, my slurs will be at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it looks like the major, but I start on the natural minor 3 positions down, 3 semitones down. E natural minor, treble clef, without key signature, descending. So E natural minor needs 1, 2, 3. It needs the F sharp of G major. Okay, so that will be my accidental, and I will go descending. So I will go down 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I need to add my F sharp because that is my key signature, and I have my slurs at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you forget in the examination, just work out your semitones, because I will have my slurs with my semitones. F sharp to G is a semitone, so that's why I need a slur there. And then B to C is another semitone. That's why I need the slur there. And if you have D to E is not a semitone, so I will not have a slur there. Now the last of the natural minors, B natural minor bass clef. Double check all those. With key signature, so let's work out B is there. Let's go 1, 2, 3, so it's 3 steps up. So D major's got Father Charles. With key signature, I've added ascending and descending. So we start on the B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and my slurs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't add that raised seventh, so I do not have a slur there because A to B is not a semitone. Harmonic minors. So now I will raise my seventh. So D minor, treble clef. D minor, treble clef. Without key signature, descending. So D minor is there. 1, 2, 3. So I need to add a B flat because F major's got a B flat. I must start from the top here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Add your B flat. Don't forget that B flat. And then because this is a harmonic minor, what must I still do here? I must raise my seventh. So the C will become a C sharp. And now my slurs will be at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if we work out why, D to E is a tone. E to F is a semitone. F to G is a tone. A to B flat is a semitone. And then C sharp to D is another semitone. So my slurs will be at 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Now, F sharp, harmonic minor, bass clef. F sharp, harmonic minor, bass clef. With key signature, ascending and descending. F sharp is there, so let's work out the major. 1, 2, 3. A major. Father Charles goes. Ascending and descending. It's easier to start here at the low F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Harmonic minor. I've got my key signatures in front, but I must remember that I have to raise the seventh. This E will become an E sharp. And do it both sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bass clef. with key signature, ascending and descending, and I added my raised 7th. G harmonic minor treble clef. So do your treble clef without key signatures, ascending. G is there, so I have 1, 2, 3. It must be B flat, so the letter names must be a third apart. It can't be A sharp. So B flat has B flat and E flat. Okay, and ascending. So I will start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Add your B flat, add your E flat, and now we have a raised 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. F will become F sharp. And now my slurs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you forget the position of the slurs, just work out where your semitones are. And the last type for today is the melodic minor. Now when I go up, I raise my 6th and 7th. But when I go down, I again flatten the raised 6 and 7. Okay, so the melodic minor going down will look like your major. C sharp melodic minor bass clef. So make your bass clef with key signature ascending. So C sharp is there. 1, 2, 3. So I have E major. Father Charles goes down. C sharp melodic. So start on your C sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With key signature, done that, ascending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have to raise those two. And my slurs going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nothing there. 7, 8. So when I go up, 2, 3, and 7, 8. Because if you have G sharp to A sharp, it's not a semitone. So take the time in the examination to work this out. C sharp to D sharp, D sharp to E, there I have my semitone. E to F sharp is not a semitone. F sharp to G sharp is not a semitone. G sharp to A sharp is not a semitone. And there is my next semitone, the last one. Okay, now F melodic minor, treble clef. Without key signature, descending. F is there, 1, 2, 3. So A flat, battle, without, so I'm not going to add it there, I'm going to write it here. Battle, ends, and down. So descending, I will start right at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But I will count 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 when I do my slurs. Okay, and I will add the battle, ends, and down. And when I went up, I raised the 6 and the 7. But when I go down, it looks exactly like the major. So leave it like that. And then my slurs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And work out that you see where you have your semitone. So it's treble clef without key signature and descending. And then the last one, bass clef. Do your bass clef. A melodic minor, ascending and descending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? I've done that one for you. So just stop it here and see whether you agree with what I have there. Stop it there and work out. You can also stop the video here and look at your slurs and stuff.